Hi guys, my name is Ujas and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Arduino and Matlab to make sure that your robot moves along the potentiometer and how you can change the brightness of an image. So to start off with, I'll show you the circuit that we have over here. We have a push button right here which has one end of it grounded and the other one that goes in to the digital pin 10, and then we have the LED display right here with one end grounded through a resistor and the other end in the digital pin input 4. And then we have a potentiometer right here which has 3 pins, one of which is attached to the ground and the other one to the voltage source, and the third pin, the middle pin, goes into the analog input, that is A0, from where we would read the values and change the potentiometer reading. So I'll show you, so this is my code that I have written for this, and so if you see over here it shows attempting connection. That means the computer is connecting with the Arduino board, the program is uploading the Arduino board, and we should see a figure that should pop up, right? So this is the GUI model that I have over here. So I have my name of the robot is Ujas, and it creates one for microscript G2X, for Stanford ARM, and for Puma 560. If you see over here, we have a potentiometer movement button and a brightness button. So today I'll show you about Puma 560. So if I click this button, it will create a robot that is Puma 560. And if I show you the potentiometer right here, if I change it, the values for this would change too. So this is along the x-axis. This is along the y-axis. The movement is changing. There's a little bit of delay time to it, so it'll take a little time to change. And this is the movement along the z-axis. So now I'll show you the image, how you can change the brightness for an image. That's a bit tricky actually, so let's see if I get an output for that, because I'm not getting one. So if I click the brightness button right here that I showed you, so this button would read the image that we have. So the image for us is handles.car, that is the handler for this particular image, and the output that it displays from is handles.uj. Right, so if I rotate the potentiometer, the brightness, if you can see, it changes a little. Not much, but a little. So this is what we have for you today. We can also use 2 more potentiometers, and then rather than moving it along the X, Y, and Z axis through 1 potentiometer, we can always use 3 potentiometers, and then we can rotate 1 potentiometer for X axis, the other one for Y, and the third one for Z. And over here, this push button, if you click this push button, this will reset the entire program to null, and then you can, because every time you start the program and every time you go into the loop, if you see while 1, this is an infinite loop for the potentiometer. So every time you press this push button, which has the digital input at 4, right, so this would nullify the program, and it will come out of the loop and stop the functionalities that it's performing. So this is what we have for you today, and thank you so much.